तो हेलो दोस्तों, आज मैं आ गया हूँ दिल्ली के इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड फेयर 2025 में, जिसमें मैं आपको शोकेस करने वाला हूँ भारत का डिफेंस प्रोडक्शन। इसमें होंगी विभिन्न प्रकार की कंपनियाँ और बहुत सारे अलग अलग प्रकार के हथियार और मिसाइल। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
So our first showcased company is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It is an Indian public sector aerospace and defense company headquartered in Bangalore. As you can see in the video, they have showcased their Sukhoi jet aircraft. This is Indian Coast Guard Dornier 228, manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It is the Advanced Light Helicopter ALH Mk3. Our next company listed is Armored Vehicles Nigam Limited, that is AVNL. It is a public sector enterprise under the Ministry of Defence. It makes tanks and other armed vehicles for the Indian Army. Advanced Weapons and Equipment India. It mainly manufactures small arms and artillery guns for the Indian Armed Forces, foreign militaries and domestic civilian use. Any PUBG lover watching the video can comment down the name of the guns. Snipers and assault rifles are also showcased here. This is their machine gun, which uses 7.62 mm bullets. Our next company is Troop Comforts Limited, which manufactures military jackets, boots, and other accessories for the army. Then next comes Innovations for Defense Excellence, that is IDEX. It is not a company, but a framework that was launched by the Government of India with the aim to foster innovation and technology development in defense. Advanced drones and various other arms are manufactured under this scheme. The next company comes Yantra India Limited. It is a major public sector defense company in India. The defense company is headquartered in Nagpur and produces arms, explosives and other military equipment for the Indian Armed Forces. This is their Pinaka missile system, which is an indigenously developed Indian multi-barrel rocket launch system designed by the DRDO. The next company is Paras Defence and Space Technologies Limited. It is a public sector company and one of its own kind that manufactures infrared optics like scopes and red dot sights in large quantities for battle tanks, guns and armed vehicles. This is Bharat Dynamics Limited. It is one of India's manufacturers of ammunitions and missile systems. It was founded in 1917 Hyderabad, India. This is Akash. It is a short-range surface-to-air missile system to protect vulnerable areas and points from air attack. As you can see, it is Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited. It is a prominent Indian shipyard that builds and repairs naval vessels like warships and submarines for navy and other commercial ships. This is Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, which is a prominent Indian shipbuilding company under the Ministry of Defence that constructs naval and commercial vessels for the Indian Navy, Indian Coast Guard and export markets. Headquartered in Kolkata, GRSE specializes in building warships like frigates and corvettes, as well as auxiliary and commercial ships. This company is Gliders India Limited, a Government of India undertaking under the Ministry of Defence, which specializes in manufacturing military parachutes, cargo systems. This is Goa Shipyard Limited. It is a public sector undertaking for defence shipbuilding located on the west coast of India at Vasco da Gama, Goa. It was established in 1957, originally by the colonial government of Portugal. This stall is of Hindustan Shipyard Limited (HSL). It is a government-owned shipbuilding and repair company located in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. It was established in 1941 and is India's premier shipyard, providing services for shipbuilding, ship repair, submarine construction and refits, and offshore-onshore structures. HSL builds ships, repairs vessels, constructs and refits submarines, and designs and builds offshore structures. This is Munitions India Limited (MIL). It is a PSU under the Ministry of Defence, Government of India, formed in 2021 as a part of the restructuring of the Ordnance Factory Board. MIL is India's largest manufacturer of a comprehensive range of ammunition and explosives for the Army, Navy, Air Force and paramilitary force. This is Mishra Dhatu Nigam Limited. It is a metal and metal alloys manufacturing facility in Hyderabad, Telangana. The material of which the ISRO's GSLV and PSLV rockets are made of are given by this company. This is BEML Limited, formerly Bharat Earth Movers Limited. It is an Indian public sector undertaking which manufactures a variety of heavy equipment, such as that used for earth moving, railways, transport and mining. It is headquartered in Bengaluru, Karnataka. BEML is Asia's second largest manufacturer of earth moving equipment. This is a BEML manufactured 6-wheel truck. It is used in our army in large quantities. Now comes the most important company among all these, that is Bharat Electronics Limited. It is an Indian public sector aerospace and defense electronics company headquartered in Bangalore. It primarily manufactures advanced electronic products for ground and aerospace application. BEL is one of 16 PSUs under the administration of the Ministry of Defence of India. It has been granted Navratna status by the Government of India.
So thank you दोस्तों for watching the video. At last I want to conclude the video by saying that we should be proud of India's emerging defense sector. That जो इतने बड़े equipments manufacture कर रहे हैं हमारे लिए और export कर रहे हैं. Thank you for watching the video. जय हिंद.